What's up 3D printing family? Welcome back to Jedovi 3D. Today we're swapping out the hot end on the Creality K1 with the Creality Quick Swap Nozzle Kit. This will help you make quicker nozzle changes and keep your print sharp. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your printer is unplugged for safety. We don't want any electrical surprises. Next, we're going to remove the hot end cover. There are two M3x4 screws on the bottom, left and right. Take those out. Once the cover is off, we need to disconnect the fan. Be gentle with the wiring here. Now, remove the two self-tapping tension screws that hold the PCB cable bracket. Be careful with the springs. They keep the tension, and you don't want them flying off. Next, unscrew the three M3x10 screws that attach the PC board and fan to the hot end. Now we'll disconnect the extruder, hot end, and thermistor connectors from the PCB board. Take your time with this step. Once everything is disconnected, set the PCB board aside. Now unscrew the two M3x8 screws and remove the heatsink. We're about to swap in the new kit. Now for the fun part. Take your pre-assembled heatsink and hot end kit from Creality and install it in place of the old one. This kit makes nozzle swaps super easy. Reattach the PCB board and hot end fan using the same M3x10 screws. Now reconnect the extruder, hot end, thermistor, and PCB wires. Make sure everything is secure. Don't forget to reinstall springs in the PCB bracket wire. This maintains tension on the PCB connection cable. Last step, reconnect the fan and pop on the hot end cover. Just like that, you're done. That's it, folks. The Creality Quick Swap Nozzle Kit is now installed and we're ready for faster, smoother printing. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button so you don't miss out on our next video. See you next time. Happy print, people. Catch you in the next video.